So in this video, we're going to have a look at how to install profiles in Onyx 25. So the first thing I need to do is open my media manager, and you'll find that at the top of our RIP queue, or you'll also find that in the actual program files itself. So down here into Onyx 25, and you'll see media manager. So you can open this up outside of having the actual RIP queue open. So this sometimes does take a little while to load, and that's just because it's loading all your profiles up for all your printers. And there we go. So this is my media manager open. Now you'll see at the top I've got two printers. I've got Canon Colorado and I've got a Mimaki UJV 55. So the profile that I'd like to actually bring in is for my Mimaki UJV 55. So I'm going to click on that. I'm then going to go to import and import media. I'm going to go to my desktop where my profiles are, and you'll see I've got this .oml file. I'm going to press open, and in that I then have my list of profiles that I can import. I'm going to press OK, and that's now going to import those materials. Now with that, you'll see that I've also got another sort of media library in there. So you can see I've got these other sort of modes. You can now see I've got all of these profiles there ready to go. So I can close my media manager. I can then go back into my printer. I can go onto my printer on this side over here. And you should now see in the media groups, as I was saying before, CMYUK, I've now got all these profiles available. And that's how we import profiles in Onyx 25.